Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start from stretch from the beginning. Okay, zero chart. Zero, we don't have anything. Now, on this video, I will focus on the reversals, okay? Because what we have? We have two entry reasons, technically. One, reversals, the other one is breakouts, as you know. On the breakouts, we use chart patterns like head and shoulders, triangles, wedge patterns, cup and handle, or some certain trend line breakouts. Those breakouts can be identified by the breakout of a trend line or a completion of a certain pattern. So here, if we sell the breakout. If we buy the breakout. Here, those levels are the breakouts. Okay, but versus we look for the extreme points and the trend change of the time frame, of course, the trend of the time frame. This is important. When we look at this move this is pound Swiss franc, from 117 to 125, 12500, almost 300 pips. We see a bullish move. Now we look for a reversal. This is why we use cycle snipper to find the extreme levels for the trend change, reversal, and it reverses, make a retracement. Okay, for breakouts, I have published breakout snipper, and we use pattern trader. For reversals, we have cycle snipper. For the Fibonacci retracement levels, we have Fibonacci snipper plus RSI ZigZag. Okay, now in this video, we're going to check how to use RSI ZigZag and a cycle snipper. Okay, cycle snipper indicator. We are setting 1. What is setting 1? As all you know, extreme reversal mode. Periods, close price, signal period 6. You can make it 5 for whatever, but I use 6. Smoothed signal. Cycle snipper price, cycle snipper trend price. Bollinger Band period 89, deviation 1.622. This is our smaller cycles. Here we got something like this. You see the arrows. It's another story, of course, as you know. Then I have RSI ZigZag. I put it to same window, just drag and drop to same window. Levels 10, 20, 80, 90. I use aqua as a color. Okay. Don't change any input on the default on this one. Okay. Now what we have? As you know, and as you see, when RSI ZigZag above 80 or below 20, even it is better if it is above 85, so close to 90, extremely overbought and reversal. This line is our cycle snipper deviation line. This is price line, signal line, sorry, and this is the price line and signal line. When does cycle snipper signals? When the signal line crosses the price line. So when the RSI ZigZag is above 80, we can predict the retracement. And we check the cycle snipper. If cycle snipper is above or below the deviation line, we look for a retracement. And then we can wait for cycle snipper signal, or we can buy here or sell here, like this, as you see. Here and here. Here, as you see, even its RSI zigzag is close to 20, so oversold. This is not RSI, this is RSI zigzag, okay. But cycle snipper is not on the overbought or oversold level. It is the cycle snipper, so it doesn't. It is not worth to buy here. This one. So we need to wait for cycle snipper to be oversold or overbought. Or what is overbought is above this deviation. Both the signal and the price line is above the deviation line or below the deviation line. This one is our deviation line. Okay. The second settings we can use RSI zigzag. Right now, right 21, 16, 8. The levels 20, 30, 70, 80. I change the color here. Okay, even you can change the color of this zigzag as well. Here you can change the color. Okay, now we have a bigger deviation of RSI zigzag. As you see, both of those RSIs are extremely overbought zone or oversold zone. We can predict the retracement, but we need to check. Cycle snipper first. If it is overbought, or oversold, or overbought first. As you see, RSI zigzag is bigger deviation and smaller deviation of RSIs and plus cycle snipper. Also, to see the bigger cycles, we add another cycle snipper with the bigger deviation. Here, drag it and drop to the second window. Larger period, bigger deviation. Extreme reversal mode 55, 34, 20. So we change those settings now. Change it like this, and also change the BB period 113, BB deviation 1.88. Okay. So this is the bigger deviation, bigger cycles. So we can see that we can say both the smaller deviation and bigger deviation of cycle snipper plus the RSIs, they all oversold, so we can buy here. I think it's clear. Let's check another euro out. We change. As you see, it comes the RSI zigzag, smaller deviation, bigger deviation, all overbought. This is this line, this red line is RSI line, the 70, and we have 80 also, but we cannot see. Both of the RSI is overbought, plus both of the cycle snipper is overbought. Even you can sell here somewhere without waiting this cycle snipper signal. Okay. Same here. Overbought. You can start to sell here. This is 4-hour chart. I have finished another one, cycle snipper ATR. I will publish it later, and I will speak about it later. But how to use cycle snipper and RSI zigzag, I explained it, and I showed the settings. Okay. This is the first part of the video.